Hi people, once again welcome to TOYMAX, and we're here to show you this children's ride-on dumper truck. So if we have a quick look around, and we'll show you some of the features on this truck. So obviously here we have the dumper bucket at the back. We have a towing hitch. If we walk round, with this truck you get shovels and spades. They're just on the side here, same on the other side. If we open this door, so we have a horn. If we simply press this button here on the steering wheel. So if we move over to the seats, we have a two small seater here with harnesses, safety harnesses, 1 and 2. And we move over to the front. So to switch it on is this button here. And the music will start. So the main feature on this truck has to be this. So if we push this switch down here, and then that tips the bucket at the back. And then the same to put it back down is we push it forward here. I'd also say the other feature on this is the swing feature. So if we flick the switch here, and what that does is it rolls the truck backwards and forwards, and may even send your child to sleep. So we have light up dials just here. And to turn the exterior lights on, your headlights, is this switch here. So if we turn that on and walk round to the back, got light up tail lights there. Walk round to the front, got nice bright headlights there. So this switch here, that's to move to go forward, so engage it to go forward. Here's your foot pedal here, and the same in reverse, and then your foot pedal, and then that will make you go in reverse. So on this we have pre-built-in stories. So if we press this button here,
The Fisherman and the Fish.
A fisherman was good at playing the flute.
and we have built-in music.
Very well.
We have a USB port here and a headphone socket here, and this is, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, this is your battery power. Okay, that's it from us at TOYMAX today. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and remember you can purchase this from www.toymax.co.uk, and remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.